Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming for Beginners. Today in this episode we will be learning how to unblock someone in Racing Kingdom. Whether you've accidentally blocked a friend or just want to reconnect, this step-by-step tutorial will help you out. First, open up the Racing Kingdom application on your device and log into your account. Once you're inside the main garage page, go ahead and tap on the two human icons at the top right corner, which will open up this Friends tab. Now click on Block List from the left hand side menu and you will be able to see the contacts that you've previously blocked. Tap on the little minus icon right next to their name and info, and then this will remove the person from the block list. And that's it. You have successfully unblocked someone on Racing Kingdom. That is how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.